Well, hello, Stamping friends. This is Monica Gioberti with Stamping with Monica, and this is a very impromptu live. Did not post anything about it, but you know that I am going to go live or present 30 different projects throughout the month of June for our series that is called Case the Catty with Me. So if you're popping on later on, make sure that you say hi, that you watch the replay, and also make sure that you check my YouTube channel because that's where all my videos will be. So because it's an impromptu, I know that people did not get any notification in their feeds, but I'm going to go ahead and do my quick and simple card to start with. This is one of the cards from the catalog. And if you're watching me now, you know that I'll be live right after this video at 7 p.m., my regular programmed time for my craft along class. Okay, so let's go quickly. And I wanted to point out that the card that we are featuring for day 4, because today is June 4, 2025, and this is the card that we are featuring is at page 37 of the annual catalog. And as we said at the beginning of our series, we're starting easy peasy. In fact, these are part of the quick and easy options, and then we're going to build throughout our 30 days of showing you different projects, and they could be live, they could be recorded, they could be just PDF recipe cards with pictures and measurements for you to recreate the projects. Okay, so for this card, these are the products that we're using. There's only one. We're going to stamp 2 sentiments, one, and they both come from the Simply Said stamp set, and it is a stamp set that has carried over from the previous catalog. It is a very versatile stamp set because it covers all the occasions, and I love the fact that we have 2 different kind of fonts. So we're using Thank You and Thanks Then Thanks, and I'm gonna mount them on my, I'm gonna use this, so I'm gonna do my, where's my thank you? Okay, thanks, oh, this is a little big, and thank you. So we're using these 2. Let me grab my smaller, if I can find any block. Here we go. Okay, so to start with, we are going, as you can tell, I did not switch my mat here. I'm going to keep it. A friend of mine is doing a challenge, meaning that she started with a clean slate, clean grit paper, and for the entire month of June, she's using the same. So I'm going to try to do the same myself. Okay, so also we are using these 2 elements. These are the A Touch of Gold tags, mix and match, and also the Good Times mix and match ephemera pack. And these, if I remember well, should be right here. Okay, so we have the Good Times ephemera pack. They're $7. Item number 165353 in case you're interested. And the other one are A Touch of Gold tags, mix and match ephemera. These are $8.50. Item number 165355. They do, you have 6 total sheets, 2 of each of the patterns, and you can see some here. And then these are just, has 3 of each tag shown, includes 3, and I think is 2. Yes, you have 2 sheets of each, okay? I guess it's 3. Hold on. And then this is the stamp set. Simply Said, it is $17. So it's very simple and very affordable to create this card. And by getting those items, you'll be able to recreate even more projects. Okay, so let me see if I can show you these. When I opened up these, I was kind of surprised because, as I said, you get 2 of each. So we have 2 of these, and these are stickers. So they already have adhesive in the back. So you have this pattern, and then we have these. Okay, pear and a cup and books. One of the cards that we show that is showed in the catalog as that, and these are the ones. Okay, let's set it aside, and then these are the tags. And if I'm correct, I don't want to take them out, but I think 1, 2, so 3 sheets and 2 different set of the tags. You have 3 large, and then you have a bunch of small in this one. Okay, so it's very economical, I would have to say. We're using Timid Tiger because it's the card that is shown. And I'm gonna take this because I did not make my sample, and I don't even have an insert, so we're gonna figure out what to do with the inside. This is a regular cut card base. I'm gonna do it 5.5 by 8.5, cut in half, scored in half. Then I have this big tag right here, and then we have the sticker that is the plant. We have our, ooh, this comes off. Ooh, and can be used for a banner. So I don't want to destroy this because I want to save this and maybe can be a banner or something. And here we go, a sticker. And then we have this that is already cut out, and it is a sticker as well. So we are going to go ahead and start. So as you can see here, it is stamped thanks, 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 and it goes on this side. So let's see if I can do a decent job of improvising. So I'll get my Timid Tiger, and then I will have to use Memento Black for the other one. Hello, Denise. Yes, it is a great variety. So now we're gonna improvise. I'm gonna just do me, okay? Thanks. And then I'm gonna do a thanks right there, and then another one right here, okay, and another one right there. And then up here, I want one that shows things. And then a little bit like that. We're just gonna copy what that shows here. And maybe we did it correctly or maybe not. Okay, and that basically we're stamping that way. Let's see if when I put this one, yeah, I like it. It's kind of what it shows right there. Yay! Good job, Monica. So now I am going to attach this label, and it's not specified, but you know me, has to be on dimensionals, okay? So here we go. So I'm gonna put that here. Who did take advantage of the sweet sale that's going on this month? It's a great, I did, especially because as a being part of the Stampin' Up family, I was able to get stuff that is an exclusive release just for demonstrator during this month. So I wanted to get a head start on those, getting those projects in and see what they look like and start planning for classes. And here we go. So okay, so then it is a great deal because you get half off prices. Buy one, get one half off. So, okay, that's the thank you stamped. And now we're going to, so even though it doesn't say, I am going to put everything on dimensionals. Even though you could peel this, but I'm gonna stick to my guns and just be me and put dimensionals all over. You don't have to. This is great because you can also use the sticker sheet, the sticky part that is underneath. And so, right? And then this bicycle is gonna go right there, like such, okay? To right there. I can put a small one here. Let me see. And we're gonna peel it off. And let's put this one in the middle. Stinking cute. Stinking cute card. Voila. And now I'm just gonna pop this one on because it's me, and it's gonna be like that. I popped everything, even though this has the adhesive. I'm gonna repeat it again, but I just wanted to do it this way. And now I'm gonna grab and cut and insert, and then do the same there. So fill this. Obviously, if it was me, it would have had a bazillion of embellishments right there. Maybe stamp another thing or something, but let's keep it. Or a little bit of a ribbon. You can always, you know, make it fancier, and maybe when I'm done, then I can make it my own and add extra, like a ribbon there, a few embellishments. But I wanted to show you how to case the Catty. Maybe at the end, if I remember, I might even just show you how I upgraded the design of the simple ones. But this, I think, is cute. I love the colors, the combination, and everything. Let me grab a sheet here for the inside. A 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to stamp out of this just another thing. Thanks, thank you. And I'm just gonna stick with the sentiment. I'm gonna do thanks, and then thanks, just to grab a little bit of the idea from the outside, bring it in. And I realized that I was not in the picture, but there you go. That's what I did. And now we are going to attach this to the inside, because you always want to finish your card, even though it doesn't show. But we're going to embellish this. And ta-da! This is a quick and easy card. We used these two ephemera packs. Okay, one is the Good Times Mix and Match ephemera pack, and the other one is the Touch of Gold Tax Mix and Match, in coordination with the Simply Sad stamp set, to create this cutie patootie card from page 37 of the catalog. And remember, if you are on my email list, if you're not, you want to be on, because you will receive the recipe cards for all 30 projects. And remember, we're starting easy peasy, nice and easy, and then we're going to work our way up to make it some fancy dandy projects that are included in the catalog. Okay, I think I am out of time, and I just glad that I was able to pop on and show you the card. This is stinking cute. It's even better in person than in the catalog once you make it. I have to tell you the truth. There you go. Thank you so much. And if you want to pop back in at 7 o'clock, I will start my craft along. Now, take it. Those cards are over the top. I hope that those that pre-order the kit will be happy. And I will show you how to create each one of the projects. And you want to be watching because they are all beautiful projects. So I'll see you at 7 o'clock. Bye-bye.